so scared of losing everything, so scared of trying and failing. So as I walk home, start to sing, I am a part of this place, though one day I'll leave. I'll make my mark here, then sink, sink, sink. For now I am sunbound and I'll reach, reach, reach. I turn and twist and tumble perfectly. I really can't be anyone but me. The cardinal and their proud song are precious to me. I stand and listen, looking in the leaves, where I'll find you over in the trees. Realize what's the same between you and me. Our sound is shifting, particles form, rearranging light, a bright red flash at a shadow, a story told at night, over and over and over and over and over again, over and over and over and over again. I'm here and I